Good morning, everyone. Welcome again to Class 9 Computer Application. Today, we will start Chapter 5, that is Computer Network Part 1. In this video, we are going to discuss about the following. Number 1, we will discuss introduction of network. Then we will understand the network and networking. After that, we will discuss over the need and benefits of networking. Then we will go through the components of a network. And at the last, we will discuss modem. Now let's begin with introduction. In this video, we'll discuss about the network. What is network? And all about the network. So before that, let's see this network. A network refers to interconnection or interlink of two or more entities, such as people, organization, banks, roads, schools, hospitals, etc. Now let's see what is computer network. Interconnection of two or more computers and other peripherals forms a computer network. See in this picture. In this picture, more than two devices are interconnected with each other and they form a computer network. Computer network can also be defined as a group of interconnected computers for sharing resources like information, hardware, and software. These computers interact with each other by means of shared communication link called communication medium. Example of the computer network is a connection between a computers, laptops, tablets, phones, printers, etc. as you can see in this picture. And the best example of the network is telephones and radios. Then what is networking? The way of creating a network is called networking. You can see in this picture. This picture represents the way of creating network. And this is an example of networking. We can also define a networking as a creation of network is called networking. And note one point that when a computer connected to a network is called a workstation or node or a host. You can see this picture. In this picture, there are four computers and all the four computers are connected with each other. And these computers are called, all these four computers are called host, either host or node or workstation. The same way, if there is a computer that is not connected to any network, that computer is called stand-alone computer. You can see this picture. In this picture, there is only one computer that is not connected to any computer, and this computer is called stand-alone computer. Now, let's see the need of networking. Why we need a networking? The need of networking can be summarized into following. Number one, a computer networking breaks the barrier of the distance, cost, and time. It means with the help of the computer networking, we can send the information from one place to another place in a very less time, that is within a few seconds, from one place to another place. It also saves our time. That is why it is a cost effective as compared to telephone network. The third most important point is that it allows to transfer any type of data such as text, videos, audios, graphics, pictures, etc. So these are the three summarized points that explains why we need a networking. Now let's see the benefit of networking. The benefits of computer networking are as follows. Number one, it allows us to share data from anywhere. That is all over the world, from any part of the world we can share the data. Number two, it allows to share all type of data including the text, pictures, videos, audios, etc. It reduces the cost of hardware and software by sharing. If there is only one printer and there are 5 users, we can share the same printer to the 5 users and we can reduce the cost. At the same time, we can share the software also over the network and we can reduce the cost of the software. The next point, that is, it saves the time by transferring the data from one computer to another computer. So through the network, it do not need to transfer the file with any external device. Instead, we can share the file through the network itself. And the next benefit of using the networking is it provides a high reliability because there are multiple sources of supply, as we can search anything over the network. So it is more reliable than other thing. And the main point, that is computer networking, increases the productivity by sharing data. These are some major benefits of computer networking. Now we'll see the components of computer network. In a computer network, there are five components that in a computer network there are five important components that plays an important role. Number one is sender's computer. Number two, sender's equipment, that is modem. Number three, communication channel or medium, that can be either wired, that is the telephone cables, or it can be a wireless also. And when it reaches to the receiver also needs a equipment, that is a receiver equipment, that is also called modem. And at the last, a receiver also need a computer to receive the data or information, that is a receiver's computer. So there are five components of a computer network, that is number one, sender's computer, sender's equipment, then communication channel, then receiver equipment and receiver computer. Now what is communication channel here? So communication channel is a medium which carries the message or information or data, etc., sent by the sender and takes it to the receiver's end. Or we can also define a communication channel as a communication channel is a medium that carries the information from one place to another place. Okay. Now we'll see the next term, that is modem. What is modem? It is a device that converts computer generated signal, that is digital signal, into a form that can be carried by telephone cables, that is analog signal. A modem is derived from two words, that is modulator and demodulator. You can see here modulator, MO from the modulator and DEM from the demodulator, and the word form modem, where modulator converts the digital signal into analog signal and demodulator converts the analog signal into digital. You can understand from this picture. In this picture, you can see this is a sender's computer and this is a receiver's computer. In between these, there is a modem and a communication channel, and then again modem and then communication channel. This modem at sender's end takes the digital signal and convert into analog signal. Again, the modem at the receiver's end receives the analog signal and convert it into digital signal. In this way, communication takes place from one computer to another computer through modem. So in this video, we will end up here only, and in next video, I will come with the next topic of this chapter, that is types of networks. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.